Hello my jewels, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today's video I am going to do a skincare. I haven't done a skincare in quite some time, maybe over a year, because my skincare is very basic. I don't do or use a lot of products on my skin. For the spring and summer I use my Noxzema, and then I just follow up with the moisturizers, which are the oils that I use on my hair. Also, through the fall and winter, I do the CeraVe cleanser, and I just follow up with my moisturizers that I use on my hair. That's it. I mean, the oils that I use on my hair. Did I say moisturizers the first time? Did I say that? Anyway, oils. Now, I do use a moisturizer when it gets really cold, but they are my Oil of Olay, age defined AM and PM. Now I do use those when it get really cold. I can't rely on the oils as much, but I do use those to really protect my skin from the harsh, brutal cold. Okay, so I'm going to share with you this powerful fruit that I've been using for the past 8 years that really cleared up my skin, and I still use it, but I only use it throughout the summer, and I use it once a week. That's all it takes, because that's how powerful it is. You only use it once a week. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this conditioner out because my hair is filled with conditioner. I did a protein treatment on today. Last protein treatment I did do, that was in May. So I did do the rice water today. So I just followed up with a conditioner, and then I'm going to rinse it. It's going to take me about an hour. And then, because I air dry, it's going to take me about an hour. Then I'm going to fix my hair, put in a bun. My buns normally last me for a week. Someone asked me that too. Do your buns last a week or a few days? My buns last at least 1 week. It could last a little longer, but I always take them down and I do a co-washing or whatever else I have to do, and then a deep conditioner, and then I put it back up. But my buns last me a full week. Okay, so I hope and pray that you all enjoyed this video, and I also hope and pray that you will benefit from this video as well as far as your skincare. Okay, also you can also use this particular fruit to clean. I have been doing in this bathroom and also in my kitchen. And I'm going to share that with you as well, okay? So I hope and pray that you enjoyed this video.
Okay, I'm back. It's been about an hour and 40 minutes. I think my hair is dry. Okay, this is the fruit that I was speaking about. Yes, one simple lemon. It beats high-cost serums and high-cost creams, in my opinion. I have been using freshly squeezed lemon juice for 8 years this month. This year, it's the 8th year I have been using that. Now, I wear glasses, and over time, it got dark right across here, and I didn't want that, so I started using lemons, okay? 30 days after use, I want to say 30 days, I want to say like every week I was taking pictures, and I noticed my skin getting brighter. Over time, it will just get brighter. I'm not saying I will get white, okay? You won't get white. It would just brighten up any imperfections. That's basically it. You're going to leave it on for 20 minutes. Then you're going to rinse with cool water, and then follow it with cold water. That's how I do it. So if you rinse with warm water, then continue to do that. I would say if you rinse it with warm water or warmer water, it will really cause your skin to dry out and sag. So you want to use cool water whenever you're rinsing your face. Now, I don't just use it on my skin, and I don't just make lemonade. I also clean with it as well. And it's a very good cleaner, sanitizer. It really does freshen up your bathroom tile, breaking down dirt and bacteria. It also is a good idea to use it in your drain to keep it smelling fresh. All you need is a half a cup of baking soda, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and there you go. Leave it in there for 5 minutes. Run hot water for maybe a minute or two. Voila, it's clean. My bathroom is clean. My kitchen sink is clean. I use a little detergent with the juice and clean it, rinse. It gets a little shinier, adds a shine to it. It really does. I love it. The bathroom tile, it has a natural shine to it. It's clean, all of that. So, yeah. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. And if it's the Lord's will, you will see me in the next video. Thank you.